Hey guys, it's Reason More back with a quick review. This time it's on another trimmer. This one is from a brand called QBZDOUA. I'll put that up on the screen real fast. And there you go. I will also put a link to the description that has the Amazon listing, so you can just go straight to it and look over it as well. Alright, so I actually already have one of these in a different brand, but a friend of mine bought one and I was like, hey, you review these things, you want to borrow it? And I was like, that might be kind of gross. He's like, dude, just clean it really well. I don't really care, because, you know, just get the antibacterial stuff and it was good to go. So what I did was I tested this on my arm, as well as I just shaved with it, but I don't show a video of myself shaving because normally I do that in the shower. But to that point, it is actually fairly water resistant because I keep the shower going. I just trim it up in there and take care of things. It worked great. It cut through it like butter, and I'll give you a quick list of everything it comes with. All right, so it comes with one full-size trimmer heads and 4 different trimmer combs: 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, and 12mm. A design trimmer head, that's going to be your like I use that for a beard trimmer, basically. It's going to come with a adjustable comb on it as well. Also, you can take those off. A precision trimmer that's very, very narrow. A micro shaver head, a body trimmer head, as well as a nose and ear trimmer head. And several the 5 guide combs I mentioned earlier. A USB cable for charging, and a stand and base, as well as a cleaning brush, some lubricating oil, some basic maintenance kind of stuff. And that is overall everything that comes with it. Alright, so there's the micro shaver there. Just going through each of these point by point so you get an idea what they look like. But there's the nose hair trimmer. As far as ease of use, it pops on and off real simply. If you wait just a little while, you'll see me do that for the first time here. It comes about half a charge on it. Wirelessly, without it being plugged in, it will last for about 90 minutes continuously. And there you see I just popped it off. Pops back on the same way. Although I will say it is a little harder to get the thing to pop on than it is to get it to pop off. You just use your thumb to kind of flick it off. And to get it back on, you just got to kind of do the reverse of that. Just kind of tap it down at the bottom, then mush it in place. And then it just snap in place. If it doesn't snap in place, it's not in there properly. You also know it's not in there properly because it won't function. So that right there is basically pretty simple to use. I forgot to mention the price of the item. It's about 33 bucks, but I think right now there's an Amazon discount of like 20%, so you're looking at under 30. So you get basically an 11-in-1 kit for shaving, and I think this one's actually small enough that you could probably travel with it very effectively. I've also used it again in the shower. It's not really waterproof, but it's so water resistant and everything's so well put together, it's not that big a deal. So here's the quick demonstration I'm going to do for y'all. That's my arm. It's just going to run through it with the one trimmer that I did not have much experience with. That is with the body hair trimmer. This is what you would use, ladies, if you were to buy this for like a bikini line, manscaping, that kind of stuff. It is very, very, very gentle, and as a result, it's not the fastest trim, so it'll sometimes miss things. You'll see that here, but you almost don't even feel it going over. There's no snags, no pulling. There's no real, you basically just feel a vibration on your arm, and as it runs through, it just pops off, lops off the hairs. So it does a great job, gets it very, very clean, leaves very, very, very minor stubble to the point it feels it's smooth to the touch. So that's important for people who are doing body trimming kind of things. But overall, really happy with it, happy with the results. And the next thing you'll see is me use the precision trimmer, and that's just a little itty bitty teeny tiny narrow trimmer, just to kind of show you guys how well it cuts through those guided lines. That's more for someone who's doing something with, like, maybe doing a design in their hair or their scalp, or doing some very, very close work around their ear perhaps. But as far as my uses for it, I didn't really have one. I just thought it was kind of unique, so I threw it on there just to show you how well it trimmed through everything. Overall, great product, does a very good job. Strange name, strange brand name, I guess, but other than that, really cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps things out, and have a great day.